Hi student, I am Asya Tiwari and today in the Geography 11th class, this is our third lecture, and in this lecture we will study the impact of latitude and longitude extent. This is very important topic, and in the first we will understand what is the latitude and longitude extent. So student, this is earth, and the things which I am telling to you, try to understand. These are the longitude extent, such as in the earth. So you can see well that the distance between the two longitude are very large. Distance has been seen in the area of the equator, and in the pole side this is very short distance. Means as you move toward the pole, the distance between the two longitude lines has been decreased. As you move toward the equator, the distance between the two longitude lines has been increased. So this is the one thing. Second thing, in the equator, the two longitude lines, where the distance between the two latitude lines are very, I will say, accurate. Each place means both lines are parallel to each other. It means the place between the two latitude where they will be same everywhere in the whole earth. This is very important things. Means everywhere the distance between, but the you will say place between the two longitude where the distance can be higher, the distance can be increased, or the distance can be decreased. So this is the very important things to understand. And India, this is the, we'll say, latitude lines which move across the country and which divide the country into the half part. So this, because you know very well, this is the equator line, and above the equator and down the equator, this line are known as a tropic. So this area is known as a tropic, and this area is known as a subtropic. So student, you will see well that the impact of these latitude lines in the country and their result are very clear, such as in the irrigations, such as in the crops, such as in the climate, such as in the soil, such as in the many kind of the things which also affect the, you will say, human settlement also. And due to it you will see the very extent, you will see, impact in the human life also in the country. So this is the kind of way the two latitude lines, where the two places between the two latitude lines, whatever they are, anywhere in the globe, but they will be very same everywhere. This is very important things. Second thing is that the, you will say, the eastern part, the western part, if the sun reaches there, it will take the 2 hours. That is very important things. But our watches shows same time there and there. What is the reason of this? So student, this is very important things to understand. This is a equator line, and this is the location of India, and you will say this line where the Greenwich Mean Time, that is called GMT. The distance between the GMT and India standard time is, I will say, 5 hours and 30 minutes. So obviously the result will be shown in our area also, but the 2 hours where the watches show the same time, being the 2 hour difference, why a country adopt the Indian standard time or standard time, so that to avoid the confusion, that is very important things. Because if any country does not declare the standard time, then it will be create the problem in the country everywhere, over the watches, over the duration also be very typical things in the whole country. So that is very important things. And the two longitude lines where the sun takes 4 minutes. This is the 4-minute time between the two longitude lines, and there are the near about 30 lines, and 30 lines where you will see well that each 15 lines, if the 4 minute takes time by the sun, so it will be the 1 hour, and 30 lines, so it will be the 2 hour. But India declare the one standard time in the whole country to uniformity over the time. Any countries in the world where there are more than 2 time zone, like the USA, like the Russia, many of the countries in the world. So student, hope you are getting this lecture very well with understanding, and on tomorrow we will also discuss some more, we'll say, concept in the lesson, so that it will make your understanding more mature. Thank you for watching me.